Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Huh? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel and we are in Qatar.
You know, for this bad acting, I might lose my acting job.
Let's get this vlog started.
I'm briefing my parents about how you talk to yourself all the time like
They'll
this.
warm up to this. Hi auntie, hi uncle.
Uncle is very busy.
Uncle's already exploring. So we've just landed and we are on our way to our room. Super sleepy, so you might not see too much.
It's like 5:30.
I don't know.
Yes.
It's 8 in India time.
Checked in and this is our room. In love. Just look at that view. That's the Arabian Sea, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is what the room looks like. And you guys have to see the bathroom. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! And yeah. So the plan right now is to just change, sleep, and wake up, shower, and then head out and begin our trip officially. So see you soon.
Please fit. Kavu, sit fast.
But how will Kristu show? This is cute. Officially starting our trip. Just finished an amazing lunch at the Market W and we are off to our next destination,
Which is the Hazm mall, which is supposed to be the best mall in Dubai.
yeah,
One of the best because there's so many malls.
yes. So we're super excited because we're just getting this day started and it's the first time we're stepping out. Of course she has done this before, but first time for me and she, so we're
And it looks
really
beautiful. And Hazm is the first time for me as well.
yes, we're really excited, just on our way. And stay tuned because there's gonna be a lot of exciting stuff.
I'm doing that
will be
again.
coming up. Let's all do that. So we just reached the Hazm mall and guys, this place looks beautiful. It is so, like, the architecture and everything is so gorgeous and everything looks so spectacular. I really cannot believe that this is a mall because it looks no lesser than a monument, if I may say so. Like, it looks beautiful and yeah, I can't wait to explore this place. It's phenomenal. Super excited. Another area in the mall itself
And we have a cool ride.
we have a very cool ride and we can't get over how this place looks or how we look. beautiful. Oh my god.
What is this?
Oh my god. Morning, day 2, and I didn't really end up vlogging the second half of the day yesterday because we were either too tired or having too much fun. So yeah, one of that, but it's day 2 morning and we are all ready. We both are excited. She is a bit cranky because she's not feeling her best right now.
I don't like morning or people.
That is what my t-shirt said yesterday, but yeah, neither do I. But yeah, I'm excited because it's going to be a really fun day, very action packed. So now we are heading to MOQ, which is the
Mall of
Qatar, and then after that we're going to be heading back to our hotel, changing, and then heading to possibly the most exciting thing on this trip with all of us planned, which is the
Dessert.
Yeah,
Desert safari.
Desert safari. Dune bashing and some activities lined around.
And apparently it's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
And magical.
Yeah, so we are really excited. Looking forward to sneaking in some shopping and some chilling and some adventure. So stay tuned. We just reached the Mall of Qatar and we are headed in. Just gonna see how this spans out, but there's a lot of local brands and a lot of high street brands that we already know about. So let's see how this day turns out. By the way, it's quite early. What is the time? It's 10. I don't think I've ever made it to a mall this early.
Or out of bed. I don't think any mall is open in Bombay.
Yeah, I don't think any mall is open like at this hour. So first look. Sephora already. Oh, Lush. Listen, we don't have Lush in India. Yeah.
We do.
We don't have Lush. We don't have Lush. It's shut down. Shut. I'm gonna buy some Lush stuff.
We have to explore and then do something.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. So what are you shopping? Going to shop for? Is she? What are you going to shop for? Christy, what are you planning?
I think the brands that are not available in Bombay, that's what I'm going to walk into. So a Bershka maybe, Abercrombie and Fitch, something like that.
Available online, no?
But not in Bombay malls. You don't get to walk into Abercrombie and Fitch mall and smell the smell that you get to smell in Abercrombie.
Stay tuned, guys. I'll take you around. So just got done with our first store, which is Bath and Body Works, and we have so many yummy smelling things. We got like these scented candles and bath and body butters and body lotions, and
now we smell of like fruit.
Yeah, actually we practically can't smell anything more because we tried on so many fragrances and so many things that we got some of the yummiest stuff. And this here is Bushra.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes, Bushra.
Bushra, yeah.
Bushra means good news.
Oh, nice. In which language?
In Arabic.
In Arabic.
Yeah, I think
okay.
you have it in India. So many people told me.
Bushra is a very common name. Yeah, Bushra is a very common name. Yeah.
My parents called me Bushra because they didn't know that my mom was pregnant with twins.
Oh.
So like when I was born first, and then there was another brother coming after me.
Oh. Good news. She's taking us around and showing us, and she's so pretty.
Thank you.
So we are going to go on a tour on this little buggy kind of a thing and basically get a full tour of this mall and stop over wherever we need to shop.
Guys, Ravi's taking us to our next stop.
Okay. Wow. But look at this place, so beautiful. You guys, look at this mall, so pretty.
The main center of the mall.
Okay.
Quadrangle.
bits of Turkish food before, but this is going to be the first time like an authentic Turkish fare, so I'm super excited. Yay! That's my drink. It's a drink. And some yummy food. Back in our room, and we are so exhausted right now, but we have very little time before we head out. How much time?
20 minutes.
So we have around 20 minutes before we can head out. We are super exhausted and it's really hot, like it's super duper hot, and I have no idea how we are going to be surviving the heat. And
I'm removing my pants, okay?
yeah, remove na. Remove na your pants.
Listen, remove the camera.
So I don't know how many of y'all know this, but behind every picture shut up.
She dropped the whole thing.
Okay, so I don't know how many of y'all know, but behind every picture, perfect picture that you see, shit. I'm scared to say the first sentence again. So just ironing my outfit because we are heading out for the desert safari, like I mentioned. So there was a time when I used to travel and I used to iron all my clothes and pack them, and I figured that that's such a silly idea because by the time I would reach my destination and unpack, all my clothes would be crumbled anyway. So I just figured that having a steam iron and or just, you know, you calling in for the iron by room service and just ironing your clothes there and then and wearing it is so much better. Your clothes look crisper and sharper and just flawless. So yeah, just gonna quickly iron this and leave for the desert safari. Safari time, and this is our OOTD.
Are we in the frame? The OOTD is outfit of
The
the
day.
day.
Yeah. What do you thought?
No, I didn't know it was D or T or what.
Okay. So yeah, super excited. Let's see how hot it is and how well we
I'm wearing a scarf.
take this. Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Hey guys.
So we've hijacked the camera. She has no idea we're doing this.
And I don't know what we're gonna say, but we're just excited about hijacking her camera.
That's it.
What do you say for bye? Hello, guys.
Heading out from here, which is the starting point, the shop for the monster buses, and we're going to be going on the top route. So we have two routes, the Dunes route and the coastal route, and we'll be passing one long series of dune. So that's called the Banshee Dune, sometimes the paragliding dune. There's a lot of activities that happen over there on the weekend.
Hello, guys. So we are super pumped and excited because it's time for some Dune bashing. And yeah, let's get this started.
Is they deflate tires, so you saw the guys remove.
Yeah.
So
I
what
remember.
happens is the pressure becomes lower.
Yeah.
Okay.
So your car has better traction. Otherwise, you cannot go onto the
It'll
dunes.
get stuck.
Yeah, it will definitely get stuck.
How do we feel about this?
A little worried.
Nervous, excited,
come on, man.
both. We've done it before.
Yeah,
We know
I
the
know.
drill. I'm saying I'm excited to see how she reacts to this. I see camels.
That's it. So we're going to meet them on the way back.
Yay! I can't wait. Oh my god, I don't have anything to hold on to.
Hold on.
I think you should leave the camera.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, that's a steep. Okay, we're starting. Whoa! Listen, I have to hold one of your hands.
So you can hold.
Whoa, but I love the view.
I wish we were closer to the. I think we were.
We're going.
Whoa.
We're going.
I'm so excited.
I'm like nervous.
I think I wanted to say nervous, but I was so nervous I said excited.
This is fun. This is fun.
Whoa!
This is sand drifting.
Yeah, this is like fun.
This is not like Dubai.
This is not. Dubai, I was flying.
I didn't like Dubai.
Yeah, I was flying. I was flying.
Because
And it was like
your
crazy.
head hit against
Yeah, and I was all over.
Fun, it's crazy. Yeah.
Okay, so that
Yeah.
cliff that you see there is basically the highest point, and we are gonna be brave enough to go there. Okay. Oh my god! I died! Oh my god, look at that ocean there. Oh my god, this is spectacular.
Alright, so you got the flatbacks on the left side. These are the dark areas at the bottom of the dune.
And my camera is fogging up because of this, but ocean bang in the middle of this all. Yeah, we should.
You're flying?
Yeah, this is insane. It's windy. What's up? It's around 11:30 p.m. and I am about to do something fun. I picked up this bath bomb from Victoria's Secret yesterday when I went shopping, and this is basically the acai berry bath bomb, and I am super excited for some crazy solid me time right now because I'm hoping to get into the tub and use my bath bomb. I'm trying this out for the very first time and I am super duper excited. I've always seen this all over my Tumblr and Pinterest, and those were the Lush ones. This is basically the Victoria's Secret one, but I think this should be fun because it smells really good. So yeah, let's see. I am just filling up the water and I need to be adding this once the water's full up to the level that I want it to be.